Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to enable cookies in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. After open settings, scroll down in last and then click on apps. And then here you can find Safari. After finding the Safari and then open it and then scroll down in last and you can see the option advanced. Simply click on advanced and then here you can see the option block all cookies, and here you can enable cookies. And if you want to enable cookies, then simply turn this button off. After turning this button off, your cookies will be enabled. So this is the way to enable cookies in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.